me fixing everything again. A lot of stuff to be fixed every time. So next thing is this door thingy. We'll take apart the guts from this side, because as you can see, this one is the other way around. So we'll take the stuff from this one, we'll put them in this one, because this one is worn, we can't really use it. We'll just make it work. Okay, so take this thing, just take care of the bolt. That's how it's on the inside. The main thing we care about is this one. That's how the spring sits. So we're gonna take it. We're gonna put it in here. And we'll try to copy it on this side. How does it sit? It sits like... Just like this. I think we need this spring. Is it the same? No, see, the spring points down, so we need the right spring. Okay, so I'll take it here apart. Take it from here. Like this. Grab it on this side. And gently push it in. Okay. Johnny, имаш ли нужда от тази част? Нямаш нужда от тази част. Okay, so we only need this part. Does it work nicely? I think it does, yeah. We'll take this set. On this side. Is it like this? Or like that? I think it's like this. Okay, and this little bolt. Yeah, definitely the last time that this thing was used, probably the bolt just came apart, and there we go. Does it work now? I think it does, yeah. There we go, sorted. Next one. See you on the next one.